हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आई होप आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। तो आज का टॉपिक है स्टडी ऑफ क्यूब्स एंड क्यूब रूट्स। लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, इंट्रोडक्शन, क्यूब ऑफ अ नंबर, परफेक्ट क्यूब्स, मेथड ऑफ फाइंडिंग द क्यूब ऑफ 2 डिजिट नंबर, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ क्यूब नंबर्स, पैटर्न इन क्यूब नंबर्स, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ क्यूब नंबर्स, क्यूब रूट्स। नाउ इंट्रोडक्शन. In this lesson, we shall study about the cubes and cube roots of numbers. We know that when a number is multiplied by itself, the product is known as the square of that number. But when the number is multiplied by the square, the product so obtained is known as cube of that number. We shall study here about the properties of perfect cubes and also discuss the method for finding the cube root of perfect cube numbers. We shall discuss the prime factorization method for finding the cube roots like square roots. Now, cube of a number. By the term square of a number, we mean the number is multiplied by itself. For example, 2 square is equals to 2 into 2 is equals to 4. When the square of a number is multiplied the number again, the product so obtained is the cube of that number. That is, in order to get a cube of a number, we multiply the number by itself 3 times. For example, 2 cube is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 is equals to 8. When the power of the number is raised to 3, then the result is known as the cube of the given number. जब हमारी पावर कितनी होती है? 3. Right? In general words, if a is a positive number, then a cube is equals to a into a into a. A raised to the power 3 is equals to a into a into a. If a is a negative number, then minus a raised to the power 3 is equals to minus a multiply by minus a multiply by minus a. A natural number n is called a perfect cube if there exists another natural number a such that n is equals to a into a into a is equals to a cube. For example, 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, 512, etc. Now, perfect cubes. A given natural number is a perfect cube if it is expressible as the product of triples of equal factors. We have 1 cube is equals to 1 into 1 into 1 is equals to 1. 2 cube is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 is equals to 8. 3 cube is equals to 3 into 3 into 3 is equals to 27. 4 cube is equals to 4 into 4 into 4 is equals to 64. 5 cube is equals to 5 into 5 into 5 is equals to 125. 6 cube is equals to 6 into 6 into 6 is equals to 216. 7 cube is equals to 7 into 7 into 7 is equals to 343. 8 cube is equals to 8 into 8 into 8 is equals to 512, etc. So, it follows that each of the numbers 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343 and 512 is a perfect cube. Now, example 1 is 1728 a perfect cube. Solution करते हैं. Resolving 1728 into prime factors, we find that. अगेन हम क्या करेंगे? प्राइम फैक्टर्स करेंगे एज यूजुअल जैसे करते हैं. वी गेट 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 3. बिकॉज यहाँ पे हमें क्यूब निकालना है. एक नंबर को 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो यहाँ पे कितने का पेयर बनेगा? 3 का. तो हमने यहाँ पे 3 3 की क्या कर ली? यहाँ पे पेयर्स बना लिए. Clearly, the prime factors of 1728 can be grouped into triples of equal factors and no factor is left over. So, 1728 is a perfect cube. Now, example 2. What is the smallest number by which 3087 may be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube? Solution करते हैं इसका. Resolving 3087 into prime factors, we find. Again, इसके हमने क्या किए? Prime factors किए. We get 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 7. यहाँ पे 3 की पेयरिंग सिर्फ 7 की हुई, लेकिन 3 हमारा 2 टाइम्स है. तो अगर यहाँ पे हम 1 टाइम 3 को मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो 3 का भी क्या हो जाएगा? ट्रिपल बन जाएंगे. वी ऑब्जर्व The prime factors of 3087 can be grouped into triples of equal factors and 1 3 is left over. Clearly, to make a perfect cube, it is must be multiplied by 3. Now next is method of finding the cube of 2-digit number. The cube of a number can be obtained by multiplying the number with itself 3 times. We shall study here Vedic method of finding m3, means m raised to the power 3, where m is a 2-digit number. Let m is equals to ab, where a is the tens digit and b is the unit digit. We use the identity a plus b का whole cube, that is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. ये हमारी आइडेंटिटी है 2 डिजिट के नंबर का क्यूब निकालने के लिए. इन ऑर्डर टू गेट द क्यूब ऑफ 2 डिजिट नंबर्स वी पुट द वैल्यूज ऑफ ईच टर्म गिवन इन अबव आइडेंटिटी इन टेबल गिवन बिलो. तो यहाँ पे हम 4 कॉलम बनाएंगे, कॉलम 1, कॉलम 2, कॉलम 3 एंड कॉलम 4. ए स्क्वायर, बी स्क्वायर एंड बी स्क्वायर, राइट. तो यहाँ पे हम करेंगे ए स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई बाय ए इज ए क्यूब, a square multiplied by 3b is 3a square b, b square multiplied by 3a is equals to 3ab square and b square multiplied by b is equals to b cube. Step 1. First we find the square of tens digit and unit digit, that is a square and b square. Step 2. Now we find 3a square b and 3ab square. Step 3. We put the values of a square, b square, 3a square b and 3ab square in the table given below. Step 4. We start from column 1. We take the units digit and add the remaining digits to the left, that is to the column 2. Step 5. After adding, we retain the unit digit and remaining digits are transferred into column 3rd for adding. Step 6. Again after adding, we retain the unit digits and remaining digits are transferred into column 4th for adding. Step 7. After adding, we retain all the digits as it because there is no column left. Now step 8. Underline the units digit in column 1, 2, 3 and all the digits of column 4. These underlined digits give a number that is the required cube. Example करते हैं इससे related. Find the cube of 25 using the Vedic method. Solution करते हैं. Let m is equals to 25, then ab cube is equals to 25 cube. Here a is 2 and b is 5. Now using the Vedic method we get, हमने 4 कॉलम बनाने हैं. ये a cube, 3a square b, 3ab square and b cube. Now a cube, a square is 4, उसमें a को अगेन क्या किया, मल्टीप्लाई किया, तो हमारा a क्यूब कितना आ गया 8. a स्क्वायर कितना है 4 और उसमें हमने क्या मल्टीप्लाई किया 3b को मल्टीप्लाई किया, कितना हुआ 3b is 3 multiplied by 5 is equals to 15 और उसको 15 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, that is 3a square b is 60. Now 3ab square b square is 25, उसमें 3a को मल्टीप्लाई किया, 3a is 3 into 2 is equals to 6, 25 multiplied by 6 is equals to 150. Now b cube, b square is 25, उसमें फिर से b को मल्टीप्लाई किया, that is 125. Now यूनिट प्लेस को हम एज इट इज रखेंगे 5, 12 को हमने नेक्स्ट डिजिट में ऐड कर दिया, 150 प्लस 12 इज 162, 2 को हम रिटेन करेंगे, 16 को हम नेक्स्ट कॉलम में लेके जाएंगे, 60 प्लस 16 इज 76, 6 को हम यहीं रिटेन करेंगे, 7 को नेक्स्ट कॉलम में लेके जाएंगे, 8 प्लस 7 इज 15. जितने भी अंडरलाइन डिजिट्स हैं दैट इज 5, 2, 6, 15, लास्ट वाले कॉलम की सारी डिजिट लेंगे, तो 15625 इज द क्यूब. We get underlined digit 15, 6, 2 and 3. So required number will be 15625. Hence 25 cube is equals to 15625. Now next is properties of cube numbers. Observe the cubes of numbers from 1 to 10 given in the following table. Make the following table in your notebook and continue the table till 100. Number, cube of the number, right? 1 cube is equals to 1, 2 cube is equals to 8, 3 cube is equals to 27, 4 cube is equals to 64, 5 cube is equals to 125, 6 cube is equals to 216, 7 cube is equals to 343, 8 cube is equals to 512, 9 cube is equals to 729, 10 cube is equals to 1000. Now, first point. Observe the cubes of numbers ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. What are their digits at the ones place? The digits at the one place of the cubes of numbers ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 remain the same. Second point. Similarly, observe the digits at the ones place of cubes of numbers ending with 2 and 8 and 3 and 7. We find that if the number ends with 2, then their cube ends with 8. Similarly, if the number ends with 8, then their cube ends with 2. Same in case with 3 and 7. Now, third point. Observe the cubes of even numbers and the odd numbers. Are they even or odd? The cubes of even numbers are even and odd numbers are odd. Now, next is patterns in cube numbers. Now, first is sum of n consecutive odd numbers. In the previous chapter, you have identified a pattern in square numbers. Now, sum of n consecutive odd numbers. In the previous chapter, you have identified a pattern in square numbers. Sum of the first n consecutive odd natural numbers is n square. Do you observe any similar pattern in cubes? Observe the following table. Cube numbers, sum of consecutive odd numbers. यहाँ पे हम cube numbers लिखेंगे और यहाँ पे sum of the consecutive odd numbers. 1 cube is equals to 1, 2 cube is equals to 8, that is 3 plus 5. 3 cube is equals to 27, 7 plus 9 plus 11. To get 1 cube, the first odd number 1 is written. To get 2 cube, the next 2 consecutive odd numbers 3 and 5 are added. To get 3 cube, the next 3 consecutive odd numbers 7, 9 and 11 are added, and so on. Therefore, to get n cube, we should add n consecutive odd numbers. Now, next is no more. The sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers is equal to the square of their sum. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to n cube is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n square. For example, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 ka square, that is 6 square is equals to 36. Now, next is the sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers is given by n into n plus 1 upon 2 ka whole square, right? For example, when n is equals to 3, we get 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube is equals to 36. That is 3 into 3 plus 1 upon 2 का whole square. 3 into 4 upon 2. कितना? 3 into 4 is 12 upon 2. 2 6 are 12, 6 6 are 36. Right? Now, next is difference between cubes of two consecutive numbers. Find the difference between the cubes of any two consecutive numbers and express it in terms of those numbers. Difference between cubes of consecutive numbers, express in terms of these consecutive numbers. 2 cube minus 1 cube is equals to 8 minus 1 is equals to 7. 7 is equals to 1 plus under bracket 3 into 2 into 1. 3 cube minus 2 cube is equals to 27 minus 8 is equals to 19. 19 is equals to 1 plus under bracket 3 into under bracket 3 into 2 bracket close. 4 cube minus 3 cube is equals to 64 minus 27 is equals to 37. 37 is equals to 1 plus under bracket 3 into 4 into 3 bracket close. the difference of cubes of two consecutive number is one more than thrice the product of the given consecutive numbers. We can state this result algebraically. If n and n plus 1 are two consecutive numbers, then n plus 1 का cube minus n square, उनका cube का difference is equals to 1 plus braces 3 into under bracket n plus 1 bracket close multiply by n. Now next is prime factorization of cube numbers. In earlier classes, you have learned the method of prime factorization of a number. Observe the prime factorization of the following numbers and their cubes. Number given है, prime factorization, cube number and prime factorization. Right? Number is 2. Prime factorization is 2. Cube number is 2 cube is equals to 8. That is 2 into 2 into 2. 6. 2 into 3. Cube number 6 cube is equals to 216. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 9. 3 into 3. 9 cube is equals to 729. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Each prime factor of a number appears thrice in the prime factorization of its cube. For example, in the prime factorization of 6 cube, 2 appears thrice and 3 appears thrice. Means 3 का पेयर बनेगा, ट्रिपल्स बनेंगे. एग्जाम्पल करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल 1 is 74088 a perfect cube or not? सॉल्यूशन करते हैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप. स्टेप 1, फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ द गिवन नंबर. हम एज यूजुअल जैसे प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करते हैं, हमने प्राइम फैक्टर्स किए. स्टेप 2, राइट द गिवन नंबर इन टर्म्स ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द प्राइम फैक्टर्स. 74088 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 7. Step 3, group the equal factors into triplets if possible. 3 के बनाए उनके पेयर, यहाँ पे ट्रिपलेट्स किए, परफेक्टली बन रहे हैं. स्टेप 4, check whether all the factors are grouped into triplets. If yes, then it is a perfect cube. Otherwise, it is not a perfect cube. 74088 is equals to, यहाँ पे 2 के भी ट्रिपलेट्स, 3 के भी ट्रिपलेट्स और 7 के भी ट्रिपलेट्स हैं. All factors are grouped into triplets. So 74088 is a perfect cube. Now next is conversion into perfect cube. If a number is not a perfect cube, how can you convert it into a perfect cube? If the prime factors of a number can be grouped into triplets of the equal factors, then it is a perfect cube. Now example 2. Check whether 675 is a perfect cube or not. If it is not a perfect cube, then convert it into the nearest perfect cube. Solution करते हैं इसका step by step. Step 1, find the prime factorization of the number 675 is equals to 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Step 2, group the equal factors into triplets. Triplets में बनाए तो 3 के बन रहे हैं, but 5 के नहीं बन रहे हैं. Step 3, check whether all the factors are grouped into triplets. 675 is equals to 3 into 3 into 3 multiply by 5 into 5. 5 is not grouped into triplet. Now step 4, multiply or divide with a suitable smallest number to make it into a perfect cube. Multiply by 5. या तो हम multiply कर देंगे या फिर हम divide कर देंगे. अब multiply करेंगे तो हमें एक सिंगल 5 चाहिए यहाँ पे, राइट? तो हमने क्या किया, 5 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. 675 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई किया और इधर जो ट्रिपलेट्स बनाए उसमें भी 5 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. नाउ स्टेप 5, द रिजल्टेंट नंबर विल बी अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. 675 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 इज इक्वल्स टू 3375. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज एग्जांपल 3. Check whether 7000 is a perfect cube or not. If it is not a perfect cube, then convert it into the nearest perfect cube. Solution करते हैं. Again, prime factorization करेंगे. By prime factorization, हमने 7000 का prime factorization किया. 7000 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 7. ट्रिपलेट्स बनाए तो देखा हमने 2 के ट्रिपलेट्स बने, 5 के, बट 7 का नहीं बना. 7 सिंगल बचा. Since the factor 7 is not grouped into triplets, 7000 is not a perfect cube, ये तो क्लियर है. To convert it into perfect cube, there are two ways. First, multiply it by 7 into 7, क्योंकि एक ही है, 3 का पेयर बनाने के लिए 2 और चाहिए, 49. Then all the factors including 7 will be grouped into triplets and hence the resulting number will be a perfect cube. And second क्या है? Divide it by 7, या फिर जो एक सिंगल बचा है उससे हम क्या कर देंगे, नंबर को डिवाइड कर देंगे. Then all the remaining factors are grouped into triplets and hence the resulting number will be a perfect cube. अब यहाँ पे हमें नियर बनाना है, तो 49 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो बहुत बड़ा नंबर बनेगा, तो बेटर हम क्या कर दें, डिवाइड. तो 7000 को मैंने 7 से क्या कर दिया, डिवाइड कर दिया, और जो प्राइम फैक्टर्स थे वहां पे भी डिवाइड कर दिया. तो 7000 को 7 से किया तो इट इज 1000, और यहां से 7 से 7 क्या हो गया, कैंसिल. तो बचा क्या, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5, which is a perfect cube. Among the two operations, choose the one which requires the smaller number. Here, we choose division as the number needed to be divided by 7, which is the smaller number. 7000 से छोटा आया. Whereas the multiplication needs the number to be multiplied by 49. अगर हमें बड़ा नंबर चाहिए था तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, 49 से मल्टीप्लाई. Now next is numbers ending with zeros. Find whether the following numbers are perfect cubes or not. Identify the pattern followed in these perfect cubes. 2 1 6 0 0 0 0 0, 8 0 0 0, 1 0 0 0 and 7 4 3 0 0 0. A part. If the number of zeros at the end of the number is not a multiple of 3, then the number can never be a perfect cube. Hence, 2 1 6 0 0 0 0 0 is not a perfect cube. B. If the number of zeros at the end of the number is a multiple of 3 and the number formed by the other digits is a perfect cube, then the given number is also perfect cube. Hence, 8000 and 1000 are both perfect cubes. Now see. If the number of zeros at the end of the number is a multiple of 3, but the number formed by the other digits is not a perfect cube, then the given number is also not a perfect cube. Hence, 743,000 is not a perfect cube. Now, example 4. What is the volume of a cube of side 45.5 centimeter? Solution करते हैं इसका. Given that side of a cube is 45.5 centimeter, volume क्या होता है? Volume of cube is equals to side into side into side. 3 times हम multiply कर देते हैं तो 45.5 centimeter multiply by 45.5 centimeter multiply by 45.5 centimeter, that is equals to 94196.375 centimeter cube. Cube में रहेगा क्योंकि 3 times हमारा centimeter multiply हुआ है. Now example 5. A rectangular cuboid of metal with dimension 9 cm into 8 cm into 3 cm is melted and converted into a cube. What is the minimum amount of metal that has to be added or removed? What is the dimension of the cube? Solution करते हैं इसका. A metal rectangular cuboid of dimension 9 cm into 8 cm into 3 cm is melted. मेल्ट किया गया है तो उसका वॉल्यूम क्या है? वॉल्यूम ऑफ द क्यूबॉइड इज इक्वल्स टू 9 into 8 into 3 इज इक्वल्स टू 216 सेंटीमीटर. ये हमारा क्या है? क्या है ये हमारा क्यूबॉइड, और इससे हमने क्या बनाया? कन्वर्ट करके क्यूब बनाया है. हमें क्यूब की साइड निकालने, बिकॉज 216 इज अ परफेक्ट क्यूब, देयरफॉर नो एडेड मेटल इज नीडेड टू मेक इट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. Hence, the volume of the cube thus formed is 216 centimeter cube. Since 216 is equals to 6 into 6 into 6, its sides are 6 centimeter each. Now, next is apply your learning. Which of the following numbers are perfect cube? 975, 8000, 1331, 512. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करो और देखो कौन से नंबर परफेक्ट क्यूब है और कौन से नहीं है. तो इस तरह से बच्चों एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज क्यूब रूट्स. We have learned that square root of a number p is that number which when multiplied by itself gives the number p and it is denoted by under root p. हम square root को ऐसे लेते हैं. Similarly, the cube root of a number p is that number which when multiplied twice with itself gives the number p. The symbol for cube root is, क्या यूज करेंगे? ऐसे अंडर रूट का ही साइन लगाएंगे बट यहाँ पे 3 लगा देंगे. दैट मीन्स क्यूब रूट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द क्यूब रूट ऑफ 125 इज 5. सिंस 5 into 5 into 5 is equals to 5 raised to the power 3, that is equals to 125, और क्यूब रूट ऑफ 125 is equals to 5. Observe the given table of cubes and cube roots of numbers from 1 to 10. We can say that finding cube root is an inverse operation of a क्यूब. यहाँ पे हमें टेबल गिवन है, नंबर, उसका क्यूब और क्यूब रूट. फर्स्ट इज 1, क्यूब इज 1, क्यूब रूट इज 1. 2, क्यूब इज 8, क्यूब रूट इज 2. 3, क्यूब इज 27, क्यूब रूट इज 3. 4, क्यूब इज 64, क्यूब रूट इज 4. 5, 125, 5. 6 का 216 एंड क्यूब रूट इज 6. 7, क्यूब इज 343 एंड क्यूब रूट इज 7. 8, 512, cube root is 8. 9, 729 is cube and cube root is 9. 10, cube is 1000 and cube root is 10. Now example 1. Rakesh Sharma wants to construct a room which is cubical in shape. Its volume is 512 meter cube. He wants to find the inner dimension of the room. Solution करते हैं इसका. Let the length of the room be x meter cube. हम लेंथ ले लेते हैं कि x मीटर क्यूब है. Since the room is in the shape of cube, its volume is given by x meter cube. x cube is equals to 512. ये गिवन है, हमें वॉल्यूम गिवन है. हम उसका क्या कर लेते हैं? प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन कर लेते हैं. Now x cube is equals to 2 into 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 2. कितने टाइम्स? 3, 3 and 3, राइट. तीनों के ट्रिपलेट्स बन गए. यहाँ पे x क्यूब इज इक्वल्स टू, तीनों में से एक एक को हम लेंगे, 2 into 2 into 3 क्यूब. क्या है? पावर्स सेम है तो बेस भी सेम होंगे. x इज इक्वल्स टू 2 into 2 into 2 और x इज इक्वल्स टू 8 मीटर. देयरफॉर द इनर डायमेंशन ऑफ क्यूबिकल रूम इज 8 मीटर. Now, cube root by prime factorization. Recall the method of finding the square roots by prime factorization. We can extend the same process to find the cube root. Example करते हैं, example 2. Find the cube root of 5832. Solution करते हैं. Step 1. Find the prime factorization of the given number. हमने 5832 का prime factorization किया. Step 2. Write the given number in terms of the product of the prime factors. 5832 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Step 3. Group the equal factors into triplets. 3 के पेयर बनेंगे यहाँ पे. Triplets बन गए. Now step 4. Regroup the factors by taking one factor from each group. हर एक ग्रुप में से आप एक एक फैक्टर लेंगे. 2 into 3 into 3 का क्यूब. Step 5. Take cube root on both side. क्यूब रूट लिया इस तरह से 5832. इसी तरह से यहाँ पे ले लिया क्यूब रूट ऑफ 2 into 3 into 3 क्यूब. Note, step 4 can also be done as 5832 is equals to 2 cube into 3 cube into 3 cube is equals to 2 into 3 into 3 cube. इस तरह से बन गए हमारा. तो a cube is equals to 5832, that is equals to cube root of 5832. 2 into 3 into 3 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, that is 18. 18 is the cube root. तो बच्चों, आई होप आपको चैप्टर समझ आया. इसका रिवीजन आप खुद कीजिए.